What's up, man? Check it out. She's looking good. She's looking good. All right, man. I know about, you know about the title. We're on our way to Coleman Powersports. So that's where we headed to. That little chime you had and what you see on my screen is just the tire inflation. Tires heat go up. Alright, we can roll out here to Coleman Powersports. Yeah, it's actually a Slingshot Takeover. So I'm excited to check out all the slingshots. And hopefully if you're in the DMV area, you're actually out there. Your boy has another event to go to. But I'm going to go to that event before I go to my night event. And when I tell you I'm already sweating, I'm already sweating. It's like supposed to be in the high 90s today, mid to high 90s, and I'm pretty sure the index is going to be over 100. Alright, so we're going to get to this event. And like usual, I keep my camera running because you never know what you're going to see. But in the meantime, man, let's get to the event. Was going to the event, caught a flat tire. I put a patch in it. So man, and this right here is a dangerous spot. Cars don't know which way they're going. They crossing the line. So your boy got his pump working. Once the pump finished working, your boy going back to the crib, man. It looks like I'm about to miss this slingshot event. But that's okay, because some new upgraded tires are coming. I already want to upgrade the rear a size up, so I'm gonna do that. Where are we? We're at 23. So once I get about to 38, I'm gonna give it a go, see if I can make it back to the crib. If not, I have motorcycle AAA. I prefer not to use that because I'll be out here all day, so we'll see. Man, it's 91 degrees out here. It's extremely hot. Your boy done caught a flat tire. And I want to upgrade my rear tire anyway, but I ain't want to do it this way. Of course I have AAA, but my boy Miguel is going to come down. They're meeting at the IKEA. They're going to come through this way, help me patch up. So your boy just going back to the crib, man. This turned out to be not so of a good morning. So when he gets here, I'll let you see what we're going to do. So this is where your boy stopped right here. Right? Because there's no place else to stop. And of course, a lot of cars, man, this is a dangerous spot. Cars don't know if they want to go right, left. They're crossing the line. One car pulled up almost right at the end of my bike. And I was like, what you doing, dude? I mean, he was like right on it. But he didn't know if he wanted to go right or left. So hopefully my bike survives this. Hopefully I'll survive this. We get this baby patched up and get on his way. All right, so my man Miguel came to help me out, and this is not staged or nothing like that. Look at your man tire. The joint is on the ground. The joint is on the ground. All right, so he gonna work with me, and look at this joint, man.
Goddamn exit and you fucking hop over the goddamn white lines over here.
All right, y'all. So we got the Fairfax working on it. Putting air in. My man Miguel, hot man. I appreciate him doing this. This is a hot mess right here. So yeah, man, we out here just cooking, bro. Let me tell you. If this tire gets inflated, I'm taking my behind right back to the crib, ordering my new tires. That'll be coming sometime. I figure what, this week probably, hopefully. I gotta call the shop, see when they can install it. But I'm actually gonna have it actually mailed to the shop so they can put them on. So maybe next Saturday, we'll see.
With a patch on, but
check this joint out.
Drive with that, bro.
All right, we got the pack. Micah's asking we okay. Yeah, man, so your boy gonna get back to the crib. You probably like this video. Man, please, whatever. Anyway, your boy get back to the crib. After that, I get ready for my event that I'm going to later this evening.
All right, let's see. So I'm gonna ride in 4th gear. That way the bike doesn't have to do too much pulling. Even though I like my bike to pull all the time. And if you've been following me, you know I barely like to get out of 3rd gear. So it's a constant pull on that rear tire. And the engine likes it there better too. But now I'm just trying to, you know what? Let me just keep at a safe speed. And get this thing back to the crib. Man, they were doing some construction in my neighborhood yesterday. All types of road work and just stuff. And there's all kind of grit in the streets. So I'm thinking that's where I picked it up. I'm not sure. But that's what I'm blaming it on. Alright, so the tire's up to 40.6. That's a good sign. Never a dull moment in the DMV. And also, man, that's why you had good people to ride with. So Miguel, and I'll put his stuff up on the screen. Man, he's the one that's been around for a lot of bikers that have flat tires. And they're actually riding out to the wake today, to Dwayne's wake. So I feel kind of bad. I'm like, oh man, I thought you were going to the Slingshot event. But a group of them were meeting up at the IKEA, but nobody knew. And it's probably only about 100 degrees out here. Man, it's hot. So we about to go home and order these tires. Then I'll call the shop. Well, I'll call a shop. I don't know if it's, hopefully they can do it. They can do it Monday. They can do it Monday. If not, whenever they can do it, that's when we're gonna do it. right, we get past this next truck, we going. Mess. We aren't gonna wait in this because your boy got an emergency, so can't afford to stay in this traffic. What are you doing? Now he's slowing up. It's like you got over here to slow up. She ain't even look. Police officer right here. Come on. Appreciate that dude, man. man, never throw a moment in the damn thing. My boy Miguel actually hooked me up, came to patch me up. Man, it's at 42.6. Miguel appreciates the bro. Alright, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Oh yeah, hit that notification bell. Until the next time, your boy Hammer out. Peace.